Hello everyone, welcome back to Naturalhub, where we dive into the fascinating world of health and wellness. Today, we're exploring an extraordinary topic, the world's most expensive herb. Can you guess what it is? It's saffron. This golden spice isn't just prized for its flavor, it's packed with incredible health benefits. Let's uncover why saffron is so valuable and how you can use it to enhance your health. Saffron is derived from the stigmas of the crocus sativus flower, commonly known as the saffron crocus. It takes about 75,000 flowers to produce just 1 pound of saffron threads, all harvested by hand, making it the most expensive spice in the world. Originating from Greece, it has been used for over 3,000 years in cooking, dyeing, and medicine. Now let's talk about why saffron is more than just a culinary treasure. Here are the top health benefits. Mood enhancement. Studies have shown that saffron can help improve symptoms of depression and anxiety. Its mood-lifting properties are often compared to those of antidepressants. Vision health. Saffron is rich in antioxidants that protect the eyes. It has been shown to improve vision in those suffering from age-related macular degeneration. Memory booster. This powerful spice can also enhance memory and learning ability, making it a valuable supplement for cognitive health. Heart health. Saffron contains anti-inflammatory and antioxidant compounds that contribute to heart health by reducing blood pressure and preventing heart diseases. Skin radiance. It's also used in skincare products to reduce inflammation and enhance complexion due to its anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties. Amazing, right? Just a few threads can make a big difference. Let's move on to how you can incorporate saffron into your daily routine. Here are some simple remedies and uses. Saffron tea for mood support. Steep a few threads in hot water with honey and enjoy this soothing tea to lift your spirits. Saffron face mask for glowing skin. Mix saffron threads with rose water and sandalwood powder to create a paste. Apply it to your face to enhance skin brightness and texture. Dietary addition for overall health. Sprinkle saffron in your dishes, from risottos to desserts, not only to enhance flavor but also to benefit from its health properties. Now that you know the secrets behind saffron, the world's most expensive herb, why not try it out? Remember, a little goes a long way. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click that bell icon so you never miss our health tips and recipes. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.